Well, hey folks, Captain Dave Sport Fishing, Jacksonville, Florida here. I just wanted to tell you something. This is just absolutely fantastic. The reason 150 for an inshore fisherman to have a smaller boat. I used to have to stand on this ladder right here, on my old boat at the transom, and get up on the swim platform and bust my gut checking my oil on my Suzuki 250. Now that's all fine and dandy. Everything's fine and dandy. If that's your bag, that's your bag. But watch this. I got one hand here, one arm. There we go. One arm, taking the engine cover off. Going over here, setting the engine cover down, and checking my oil. Right here. I mean, I used to literally, I think, get a hernia. I used to say to my buddy, old Dr. Gary, who's a Suzuki mechanic up in Long Island, I'd say, how the hell do you take these damn ginormous, bulky engine covers off and on all the time, back and forth, back and forth? How did you do that? I mean, no wonder your back hurts. I mean, yeah, nobody's getting any younger here, folks. And I went ahead and got rid of the 12-gallon tank that the boat came with, which is fine and dandy. That is a big space there for a 12-gallon. And I went to a 6. You know why? I fished all day yesterday, and we wore out the trout, wore out the speckled trout. And I just put gas in there. I think maybe 2 gallons. And we were out from 7 till 3:30, 4 o'clock, doing different stuff, looking for reds, caught one red, but 2 gallons of gas. Oh, wow. And I use this pump to put the gas in. Life is good.